Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, who's developed techniques using pressure points. The previous videos introduced reliable moves to escape a hair grab from the rear and front. You had best watch them, in case you haven't yet.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master of Muay Thai Academy. Today I have a technique for you against a front grab or a front hug position. Along with me I have my student Ganesh and Smita, who will also help us in the demonstration. Right? Let me get into the technique straight now. Right? Against the straight hug or a grab from this position, and they try to either lift you up, when they grab, lift you up, or they may even try to grab you to bring closer. Either ways, your hand would be closer to the face. Right? Now this thumb would make all the magic now. This thumb would, you can see the depth below the lip. The lower lip is the depth after which comes the chin. Right? This depth is where your thumb would struck in, and as you bring the thumb inside, it will bring the attacker down. It will make him lose the hold, and as you lose the hold, you can go for a straight groin, or you can go for an elbow, or you can go for a downward elbow on the shoulder joint as well. But the main point of contact for you is your thumb digging into this deep area just below the lower lip and above the chin. But be gentle and be careful if you're practicing with your friends. This is the area. Please have a clear look. This is the area, and you would pierce the thumb into this depth and press it downward. Alright, this is the main thing you have to learn. After that, you can make multiple moves to finish with the opponent. Let's now ask Ganesh and Smita to demonstrate that for us. Please come in. Right, take a position. Ready? Go for the grab. Okay. To being held, you can see she gets into the position, and then knee, and then you can go for an elbow, you can go for a punch. But you see, after the groin, knee, and the elbow, don't expect the person to be standing right up in front of you. Right? He's already taken down. That's how the technique works. Please do like and share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.